Hi, my name's Lee. We just finished a day at Chiang Mai Elephant Empire, about an hour outside of Chiang Mai. We were picked up in town. We had a beautiful hour drive up into the mountains. And now we're here with this family of elephants. We've got the mom here, super big. We've got her teenager and the little baby in the center, which I think was everybody's favorite. We had a chance to feed the elephants a bunch of times. We also went down to the river and bathed them, and then we came back up and took a mud bath. It was wonderful. We had a lunch in the middle of the day. The family was great, and it felt like we were visiting our own family just with elephants. So I highly encourage it. Chiang Mai Elephant Empire, just outside of Chiang Mai. Look it up. Have a great time. Bye.